Now most adjectives can demonstrate levels of quality or quantity by creating two different degrees of comparison, namely the comparative and the superlative. The comparative degree compares two things, indicating a higher or lower level of the quality described by the adjective in one thing compared to another. On the other hand, the superlative degree describes the highest or lowest level of quality among three or more things. Note that these degrees are derived from the positive degree, which is the standard form of the adjective. An example using the adjective intelligent could be, the positive degree is Anna is an intelligent student. So, the comparative degree becomes Anna is more intelligent than her classmates. Also, the superlative degree becomes Anna is the most intelligent student in the entire school. Another example of using the adjective beautiful could be the positive degree is she has a beautiful smile. So, the comparative degree becomes she has a more beautiful smile than her sister. Also, the superlative degree becomes she has the most beautiful smile in the family. Remember that the comparative degree compares two things, indicating a higher or lower level of the quality described by the adjective in one thing compared to another. In order to create a sentence in the comparative form, we typically use the structure of a subject noun or pronoun, a verb, a comparative adjective, and the word then followed by the object noun or pronoun. For instance, this book is more interesting than the last one. This book is the subject, and is the verb. More interesting is the comparative adjective, and then introduces the object, which is the last one. It is important to keep in mind that there are occasions where the second item in comparison can be excluded from a sentence. Such as, practicing yoga can increase flexibility. Eating a healthy diet can improve overall well-being. In the above sentences, there is no direct comparison to another noun or pronoun. Moreover, adjectives can form the comparative degree in different ways. When an adjective ends with one syllable, we can add "er" to form the comparative degree, such as fast becoming faster. For adjectives that end with a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant and add "er", such as slim becoming slimmer. For adjectives that end with a consonant plus y, we replace y with I and add "er", such as happy becoming happier. Also, when we have an adjective with two syllables, we can form its comparative by either adding "er" or by using more. Like famous becomes more famous or happy becomes happier. And if an adjective has three syllables, we can create its comparative form by using the word more. For instance, instead of saying beautiful, we say more beautiful, or difficult becomes more difficult. Additionally, here are some examples of irregular adjectives and their comparative and superlative forms. Such as, when a positive form is old, the comparative becomes older and the superlative becomes oldest. Also, when a positive form is foremost, the comparative becomes more foremost and the superlative becomes most foremost. And when a positive form is near, the comparative becomes nearer and the superlative becomes nearest, and so on.